Ever pondered about the world's most luxurious cars? Well, today is your lucky day. We're about to embark on a journey through the pinnacles of automotive luxury, exploring the details of 5 of the world's most opulent vehicles. So buckle up and get ready for a ride through the epitome of luxury. Starting our list at 5th place is the BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is where opulence meets performance. It's a car that effortlessly blends the line between luxury and sports, offering a driving experience that is nothing short of exceptional. Delving into the lavish interiors of the 7 Series, you're greeted with a world of exquisite craftsmanship. The seats, cloaked in the richest leather, offer an unparalleled level of comfort. With massaging seats and ambient lighting, the cabin of the 7 Series is designed to be a sanctuary of relaxation and tranquility. And let's not forget the panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof, which brings the beauty of a starlit sky right inside your car. The advanced technology of the BMW 7 Series is another aspect that sets it apart. Equipped with BMW's intelligent personal assistant, the car responds to your every command, making your drive smoother and more efficient. The cutting-edge infotainment system ensures that you're always connected, entertained, and informed. The 7 Series is not just about luxury, it's about power, and this car has it in abundance. And then, we come to the sleek design of the 7 Series. With its iconic kidney grille, elegant lines, and imposing stature, the 7 Series is a sight to behold. It commands attention on the road and exudes an air of sophistication and class. The BMW 7 Series also boasts an impressive array of safety features, including BMW's Active Protection System and Active Driving Assistant. These comprehensive safety measures are designed to give you peace of mind and ensure that every journey is a safe one. In the world of luxury cars, the BMW 7 Series has carved out a niche for itself. It's not just a car, it's a statement of style, of elegance, of power, and of luxury. The BMW 7 Series, a symbol of luxury and comfort. Coming up next is the 2024 Genesis G90. As we step into the world of luxury automobiles, the Genesis G90 stands out as a beacon of elegance and sophistication. This isn't just a car, it's an experience, an embodiment of the luxury lifestyle. The Genesis G90 is where modern technology meets timeless elegance, offering an unparalleled driving experience. Let's start with the exterior. The Genesis G90 is a study in elegance, boasting a sleek, streamlined design that commands attention. The bold, commanding grille and the distinctive, sculpted lines give it a powerful presence on the road. Every detail, from the LED headlights to the chrome accents, exudes an air of sophistication. But the true luxury of the Genesis G90 is found within. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that's as comfortable as it is luxurious. The plush leather seats, the refined wood trim, the ambient lighting, everything is designed with your comfort in mind. You're not just driving, you're indulging in a sensory experience that's second to none. The Genesis G90 is also a marvel of technology. State-of-the-art features like the heads-up display and the surround view monitor make driving a breeze. The infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, keeping you connected and entertained on the go. And let's not forget about the safety technology. From the smart cruise control to the blind spot detection, the Genesis G90 is designed to keep you safe on the road. And then there's the performance. The Genesis G90 doesn't just look good, it drives good too. The powerful engine delivers a smooth, responsive drive, while the adaptive suspension ensures a comfortable ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, the Genesis G90 delivers a driving experience that's as enjoyable as it is luxurious. The Genesis G90 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a testament to the beauty of design, the power of technology, and the luxury of comfort. It's a car that understands what you want, and delivers it in spades. It's a car that doesn't just transport you from one place to another, it transports you into a world of luxury and elegance. The Genesis G90, the perfect blend of innovation and luxury. Zooming into our 3rd spot is the 2024 Audi R8 Sport Roadster. No stranger to luxury and performance, the Audi R8 Sport Roadster is a masterclass in automotive excellence. This stunning vehicle isn't just a car, it's an experience, a thrill ride that's as luxurious as it is exhilarating. Let's begin with its performance. At the heart of this beast lies a powerful V10 engine, which delivers a staggering 620 horsepower. This power, combined with Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensures that the R8 Roadster doesn't just look fast, it feels it too. Whether you're cruising along the highway or taking on the twisty back roads, this car handles like a dream, delivering a driving experience that's as smooth as it is thrilling. But the R8 Sport Roadster isn't just about power and performance, it's also a showcase of Audi's latest technological advancements. From the stunning virtual cockpit, which displays all the vital information you need right in front of your eyes, to the advanced MMI navigation system, every element of this car has been designed with the driver in mind. And let's not forget about the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which delivers crystal clear audio, turning every journey into a concert. Onto the interiors, it's here that the R8 Sport Roadster truly shines. Swathed in luxurious Nappa leather, the interiors offer an oasis of comfort and luxury. The seats, both heated and ventilated, mold to your body, providing unparalleled comfort, while the ambient lighting sets the mood, adding to the overall driving experience. But what makes the R8 Sport Roadster truly special is the attention to detail. From the beautifully crafted air vents to the meticulously designed controls, every element of this car exudes luxury. And with features like wireless charging and a rear-view camera, the R8 Sport Roadster combines luxury with practicality, making it the perfect car for those who demand the best. The Audi R8 Sport Roadster, a luxurious speedster. Almost at the top, in second place, we have the Rolls-Royce Ghost. This automotive marvel is the epitome of elegance, sophistication, and luxury. Every inch of the Rolls-Royce Ghost is meticulously crafted to perfection. From its iconic design steeped in British heritage to its plush interiors, this vehicle is a rolling masterpiece that redefines opulence. The Ghost's design is a perfect blend of classic and contemporary. Its striking exterior, characterized by the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy bonnet ornament and the prominent Pantheon grille, exudes an aura of timeless elegance. Yet, the sleek lines and modern detailing add a dash of contemporary flair, making the Ghost a true spectacle on the road. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a haven of luxury. Every detail, every stitch, showcases the impeccable craftsmanship that Rolls-Royce is renowned for. The plush leather seats, handcrafted from the finest hides, offer unparalleled comfort. The hand-polished wood veneers and the hand-stitched headliner only add to the overall grandeur. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is more than just aesthetics, it's about the experience. The ride is so smooth, so serene, it's like gliding on a cloud. The advanced suspension system and the powerful V12 engine work in perfect harmony to deliver a ride that is both agile and comfortable. Of course, the Ghost is also packed with cutting-edge technology. From the advanced infotainment system to the bespoke audio system, every feature is designed to enhance the driving experience. Yet it's all seamlessly integrated, maintaining the car's minimalist aesthetic. The Ghost is not just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who value the finer things in life, who appreciate the art of craftsmanship, who understand that luxury is not just about the price tag, but about the experience. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is more than a mode of transportation. It's a symbol of status, of success, of a life well lived. It's an experience that transcends the ordinary, taking you into a realm of pure, unadulterated luxury. The Rolls-Royce Ghost, a testament to opulence. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the most luxurious car in the world, the Rolls-Royce Amethyst Droptail. This exquisite marvel of engineering is the epitome of luxury and sophistication. The Droptail's design is exclusive, a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship that Rolls-Royce is renowned for. Let's talk about the interiors. They are nothing short of a lavish sanctuary. Picture this: hand-stitched leather seats, bespoke wood veneers, and a starlight headliner that transforms the cabin into a starry night. Each detail is a nod to the brand's commitment to exceptional luxury, and when it comes to performance, the Amethyst Droptail is unmatched. It's powered by a twin-turbocharged V12 engine, offering an effortless driving experience that's as smooth as silk. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride from the plush back seat, it's an experience of unparalleled opulence. The Rolls-Royce Amethyst Droptail, the pinnacle of automotive luxury.